It was confirmed that Aston Martin will unveil the new Vantage on 12 February as the next stage in the reinvention of its sports car lineup. Let's talk about its specs, design, and interior. Following hot on the heels of the new DB12 Grand Tourer, the rebooted coupe, officially previewed for the first time at Teaser, will be the fastest and most exhilarating Vantage yet, Aston says. It will be revealed alongside Aston's 2024 Formula 1 car and the latest version of the Vantage GT3 racer, as the firm kicks off one of its busiest years in recent memory for new products. As well as the Vantage, new cars coming in 2024 include the drop-top DB12 Volante, the V12 replacement for the DBS, the Valhalla mid-engined supercar, and an updated version of the DBX SUV. Although the Vantage will undergo a similar interior overhaul to the DB12, it will be differentiated by its character on the road. Given the high-riding DBX 707 offers Vantage-baiting levels of performance, and the DB12 has been given a power boost and significant handling upgrade over the DB11 it replaces, you get more sporty anyway, said Reichman when it came to creating the next Vantage. Product and Market Strategy Director Alex Long echoed Reichman, saying, "We'll see in our sports car and GT range much more breadth and separation between one and the other, where today they're quite similarly positioned. We'll see a much broader operating range." Reichman also said Aston's road car operation will be making full use of the Formula 1 team's resources, likely resulting in several tweaks in the Vantage's design. The upgraded model was recently seen testing at the Nürburgring, revealing a smaller grille and smoother lines around the front end. The car's rear appears to have received a reworked splitter with a quad exhaust setup and more aggressive air ducting from the wheel arches. The chassis setup is expected to take after the track-honed V12 Vantage, with improvements in poise and pace ranking high on the to-do list. Lightweighting is not likely to extend to a smaller engine, however. AMG's 6-cylinder wouldn't work for the Vantage, Long said, because the sound is so much of the car's raw emotional appeal. "We don't build transport. We build dreams," he added. As such, the Vantage will use an upgraded version of the 503 bhp 4.0-liter V8 from the current generation car. The new Mercedes AMG SL63 uses the same unit, but boosted to 577 bhp, hinting at its potential in the new Vantage. Prices are likely to rise significantly compared with the £133,920 starting price of the existing Vantage, given Aston's push to become a profitable luxury brand. For reference, the larger DV12 is anticipated to start from £185,000 when it arrives later this year. The new Aston Martin Vantage has been restyled to emphasize its billing as a complete polygon, Chief Creative Officer Marek Reichman has said, to ensure it is distinct from the DB12 and the upcoming DBS replacement.